Hey everyone, have you ever turned this into this? Cauliflower fried rice is what we're making today. Hey everyone, Mark here, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button below. The cauliflower, or should I say the chicken wing, mashed potatoes, pizza crust, and of course, rice. The list just goes on and on because this is one hell of a versatile vegetable. And this keto-friendly, low-carb vegetable adds so much volume to any dish without the calories. So let's just make a big-ass bowl of fried rice, shall we? All right, so grab yourself a big-ass cauliflower. If you want to use the core here, go right ahead. Just give it a peel and chop it up along with the florets that you're going to chop up. Just make them a decent enough size so that it can fit in your food processor. Now it's time to rice up our cauliflower in our food processor. Give it enough pulses until you're happy with the consistency and the size of your rice. Finally dice up a shallot. I say shallot, let's just chop it up. Next, grab some garlic and we're gonna finely chop that up as well. Next up is a red bell pepper. Let's finely dice that up as well. Oh, a carrot. Let's peel that up and finely dice that up as well. Nice, green onion. Let's finely slice that up and we're gonna save half for the dish and then half of the green parts for garnish. Let's whisk up some eggs. Let's make our sauce, which consists of soy sauce, fish sauce, sesame oil, hoisin sauce, and if you want some heat, add in some sambal. Let's heat up some sesame oil on high heat and let's quickly cook our eggs. Keep the eggs moving around, finally chopping it up and scrambling up the egg, and then we're gonna remove it just until fully cooked. Wipe down your wok and get it back up to high heat. Now we're gonna add in our cauliflower rice and season with salt and freshly cracked pepper. This step is optional, but it's gonna help us remove as much moisture as we can out of the rice. Get prepared because this could be a bit of a workout. We're gonna constantly keep the rice moving so that it doesn't burn and we can release as much moisture as we can. You can try and toast up the rice a little bit by letting it sit on the heat for a bit, but be careful because you could burn it. So if you wanna play it safe, just keep that rice moving. Remove the rice and wipe down your wok again. And now we're gonna add some more sesame oil and get it up to high heat. Then add your shallots, your carrots, your garlic, your red pepper. And because we finally diced everything up, the cooking time is just gonna be that much quicker. Add your rice and continue to cook to release more moisture and to cook the vegetables all the way through. Oh yeah, we're adding frozen peas to this as well. When the vegetables are like 90% done, add your egg back in, add your sauce, mix to incorporate everything. Just before taking off the heat, add your onions, mix that in as well, and then plate and then garnish with some more green onion. There we have it, cauliflower fried rice. Let's give it a taste. Oh. There's a lot of flavor in this, and you know what? You're not gonna miss the rice. And you won't feel guilty going up for 1, 2, 3, or even 4 bowls of this. But it is pretty filling. Plus, it's just another way to eat more veggies and have fun with ingredients. And don't forget, feel free to add protein to this. Chicken, shrimp, beef, tofu, whatever you want. So I hope you guys give this a go. And as always, the full recipe's in the description below. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, ciao.